Showing properties in cold weather comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right approach, you can make them stand out. Today, we're going to share top tips for showing properties when it's cold, so you can impress potential tenants or buyers and get your property rented or sold faster. By focusing on comfort, presentation, and accessibility, you can create a warm, welcoming experience that makes your property shine, no matter the weather. The first tip is to ensure the property feels warm and inviting. Before the showing, set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature around 68 to 72 degrees. Walking into a warm home immediately creates a positive impression, making potential tenants or buyers feel relaxed and comfortable. If the property has a fireplace, light it before the showing. A crackling fire adds warmth and a cozy ambiance that's hard to beat during cold months. Make sure the heating system is working efficiently, and if it's an older unit, consider scheduling maintenance beforehand to avoid surprises. Next, focus on lighting. With shorter daylight hours, proper lighting is essential to showcase your property. Turn on all the lights before the showing, including lamps and under-cabinet lighting. Use warm-toned bulbs to create a welcoming atmosphere. If the showing takes place during the day, open blinds and curtains to let in as much natural light as possible. Clean windows beforehand to maximize the light coming in. For evening showings, consider adding string lights or pathway lights outside to brighten entryways and create a warm, inviting glow. Curb appeal still matters, even in winter. Make sure walkways, driveways, and entryways are clear of snow and ice. Apply de-icer or sand to prevent slippery surfaces and ensure safe access. A clean, well-maintained exterior sets the tone for the rest of the property. Add a seasonal touch like a wreath on the door or a clean welcome mat to make the entrance more appealing. If possible, include a few photos in your listing that show the property during warmer months, highlighting landscaping and outdoor spaces. Inside the property, pay attention to staging and decor. In colder months, cozy touches can make a big impact. Add soft throw blankets, plush rugs, or accent pillows in warm tones to create a comfortable atmosphere. If the property is vacant, consider light staging to make the space feel lived in and inviting. Even small details like a bowl of fresh fruit on the counter or a vase with winter greenery can add warmth and character. The goal is to help potential tenants to picture themselves living in the space. Another important tip is to address seasonal concerns up front. If the property has energy-efficient features like double-pane windows, insulation, or a new furnace, highlight them during the showing. Point out how these features help keep the home warm and reduce heating costs. Showing that the property is well prepared for winter gives potential tenants or buyers confidence in its value and comfort. If there's a mudroom or entry space designed for snowy boots and coats, emphasize it as a practical bonus. Accessibility is also key. Make it easy for people to view the property, even in bad weather. Offer flexible showing times, including evenings and weekends, to accommodate different schedules. For virtual tours, ensure that the video showcases the property in its best light, including outdoor spaces that might be less appealing during the cold months. Virtual options are especially useful when weather conditions make travel difficult. Flexibility and convenience show potential renters or buyers that you're serious about meeting their needs. Don't overlook scents and sounds. A warm, inviting scent like cinnamon or vanilla can make a space feel more welcoming. Avoid overpowering sprays. Instead, use subtle diffusers or bake cookies before the showing if the property is occupied. Play soft background music to create a pleasant, relaxing atmosphere. These small sensory touches make the experience memorable and set your property apart from others. Finally, be prepared to answer questions about the property's winter maintenance. Prospective tenants or buyers may ask about heating costs, snow removal, or how the property holds up in extreme cold. Having answers ready shows you're knowledgeable and trustworthy. Provide information about recent upgrades, like a new roof or updated HVAC system, to reassure them about the property's durability. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in making properties stand out, even in the coldest months. From creating inviting spaces to handling maintenance and tenant communication, we take care of everything, so your property stays competitive and appealing year-round. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To wrap up, showing properties in cold weather is all about creating a warm, welcoming experience. Focus on heating, lighting, curb appeal, staging, accessibility, and sensory details to make your property stand out. By addressing seasonal concerns and showcasing the property's best features, you'll leave a positive impression on potential tenants or buyers. If you'd like professional support managing your property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.